everyone, we're going to solve for x. We have x to the power of log of x minus 1000 times 1 divided by x squared equals 0. All right, so let's first rewrite this, and I'm going to add this to both sides of the equation. So if I have x to the power of log of x, then that's going to equal 1000 times 1 divided by x squared, like that. And from there, since we have this log of x in the power here, let's take the log of both sides of our equation. All right. Now, using my power property, I can now move this log of x in front here. This is your power property right there. So this is going to give you log of x times log of x. Now on the right hand side of the equation, this is times. So what I'm going to do is use my product rule for logarithms and expand this as log of 1000 plus log of 1 divided by x squared. Now let's simplify everything. This is going to be, we have two of these multiplied, so this can be written as log of x squared. This piece right here can be written as log of 10 to the power of 3. And then this piece can be written as log to the power, log time of x to the power of negative 2. Now for this right hand side, I'm going to move the 3 in front. That gives me 3, but these are all common logs base 10. So that just goes away. So you have 3 here, because using your power property again here. Also using the power property here, you get negative 2 times log of x. And again, on our left-hand side, we still have this. Now, before we move on, I'm going to use substitution to make this easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let big X equal my log of x, little x. So I'm going to substitute in x for log of x, these two right here. So that's going to give me x squared, and I'm going to move everything over. And again, let me write down what I had. Log of x squared equals 3 minus 2 log of little x here. All right. So I'm going to, this is going to be a big X, this is going to be a big X, and I'm going to move everything over to the left-hand side of the equation. So that's going to be x squared plus 2x minus 3. So just subtracting 3 and adding 2x here. Now set this to 0 and we can factor. When you factor, you're going to get big X plus 3 times big X minus 1 equals 0. Therefore, we get x equals negative 3 or x equals 1. All right. Let's substitute back in our x. Our big X is log of x. So that means log of x equals negative 3 or log of x equals 1. I'm going to change these to exponential form using this formula. So I'm just going to make it a little easier to see. That means, and by the way, this is base 10 if there's no base there. So that means that we're going to have our value x equals our base to the power of negative 3. And for this one, we're going to have our value of x here equals 10 to the power of 1, which just equals 10. Since our, we didn't talk about that, but our x is greater than 1, then this one here, this is really 1 divided by 1000, right? This is less than 1. So we're going to disregard that and only use this one. So our x equals 10. And that is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.